Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a common issue many of you might have seen when trying to install node.js using the popular nodesource script on Debian or Ubuntu-based systems. You run the script, and suddenly, a deprecation warning pops up, specifically mentioning apt-key. It can be confusing and a bit alarming, making you wonder if your node.js installation will even work correctly or if you're doing something wrong. Let's break down what this warning means, why it's happening, and most importantly, how to fix it so you can install node.js smoothly and without any warnings. The core of the problem is that apt-key is an older method for adding GPG keys to your system's trusted keyring, and it's being phased out because it has some security limitations. Modern Debian and Ubuntu versions, and by extension, their package management system apt, prefer a more secure and explicit way to handle repository keys. Instead of globally trusting a key with apt-key, the new approach links a specific GPG key directly to a specific repository entry, ensuring that only packages signed by that exact key are accepted from that particular source. This makes your system more secure by preventing potential tampering. So, when the nodesource install script uses apt-key, your system politely warns you that this method is outdated and will eventually stop working. Don't worry, your node.js installation will probably still complete for now, but it's much better to update to the recommended method to avoid future problems and keep your system secure. Now, let's get to the solution. We'll manually add the nodesource repository and its GPG key using the new, recommended method. First, it's a good idea to remove any old nodesource repository entries and keys to ensure a clean start. You might want to remove the old nodesource.list file from /etc/apt/sources.list.d/ if it exists, and potentially any key added by apt-key, though the new method will largely override the need to worry about the old key. The most straightforward way to fix this is to download the nodesource GPG key directly, then place it in the correct, secure location, and finally, add the repository entry pointing to that specific key. You'll start by downloading the GPG key. You can use curl for this. Curl fssl https://deb.nodesource.com/gpg/nodesource.gpg.key sudo gpg dirmoro/usr/share/keyring/nodesource.gpg. This command downloads the key, dearmors it, converts it to a binary format, and saves it to /usr/share/keyring/nodesource.gpg. This /usr/share/keyring/ directory is the standard and secure location for such keys. After that, you need to add the nodesource repository to your system's list of sources. You'll use echo and t for this, specifying the node.js version you want. For example, for node.js 20, you would run echo deb, signed by =/usr/share/keyring/nodesource.gpg, https://deb.nodesource.com/node_20.x nodedistro main sudo t/etc/apt/sources.list.d/nodesource.list. Remember to replace node_20.x with node_18.x or whichever version you prefer. This command creates a new file, nodesource.list, in /etc/apt/sources.list.d/, which tells your system where to find the node.js packages. Importantly, notice the sign by =/usr/share/keyring/nodesource.gpg part. This explicitly tells apt to only trust packages from this repository that are signed by the key located at /usr/share/keyring/nodesource.gpg. This is the secure, modern way. Once these steps are done, you just need to update your package lists with sudo apt update. You should now see no deprecation warnings. Finally, you can install node.js as usual with sudo apt install nodejs. This method ensures a clean, secure, and warning-free installation of node.js, setting you up for smooth development without old apt-key issues. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me through this fix. I hope this detailed explanation helps you understand and resolve the pesky deprecation warning for good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials like this one. Your support helps me create more content. See you in the next video.